Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just passing by, please consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, please like this video so as to motivate me to make more videos for you, and this will help get this video in front of other forex traders. Okay, so some good news. It's a follow-up to the video that I did yesterday. So there's a follow-up article. I had already asked some of my journalist friends to actually look into that previous article, but now I noticed there is a new update regarding whether forex trading by individuals or retail forex trading is legal in South Africa. If you watched the previous video, apparently the government of South Africa was going to go after retail forex traders or individuals participating in the forex markets, because apparently forex trading is illegal in South Africa, which many people did not know, considering that retail forex trading has been happening in South Africa for over a decade now. At least to my knowledge, it could have been happening way earlier than that. So this is a follow-up article by the same journalist, Linda Enso. I don't know if I'm pronouncing a name correct. The title is "Regulator Clarifies Forex Trading Rules After Tito Mboweni's Remarks." Tito Mboweni is the Minister of Finance in South Africa. So I think it clarifies some of my assumptions in the previous video, where I said I do not think that it's about forex traders per se, but it's about protecting South African residents and South African based forex traders from getting scammed by forex brokers and other forex actors in jurisdictions where South Africa will not be able to assist people who may have lost their monies with those brokers. For example, if a broker is based in Malta or Cyprus or Seychelles or Mauritius, then if you deposit your money with that broker, there is nothing that the South African government can do to help you. If it's gone, if that broker decides to run away with your money, the money is gone. So again, the article was pretty vague, where it was saying that forex trading by individuals, retail forex traders, is illegal. I think watch that video. I will leave a link in the description box below. So it was kind of vague. Personally, I couldn't tell whether it's about protecting South African citizens or whether it's about retail forex trading being illegal in South Africa. But this follow-up article on the 1st of October, I think Business Live kind of saw how much buzz the article caused in the forex market in South Africa, in the forex trading sector in South Africa. So they kind of made a follow-up and they approached the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, for comment. Now it emerged that actually forex trading by individuals, retail forex trading in South Africa, is legal. It is legal to trade forex as an individual in South Africa. Forget what the previous article said. Watch the previous video about you using South African credit cards, South African debit cards to fund your trading accounts and things like that. Apparently you can do that because it's legal, as long as this is done through an authorized dealer. I think that was the point of that article, which I also thought was the point of the minister's remarks, that they are trying to get rid of scammers and fraudsters from duping South African residents. It's not about banning forex trading in South Africa, but it's about making sure that the environment is safe for South African residents who will be depositing their monies with these brokers. You know the familiar story with forex brokers. They make it so easy to deposit money into your trading account, but when it comes to withdrawals, then they start asking you for this and that, and they try to frustrate you as much as possible. So the article, then the remarks by the minister then were to make sure that if you deposit your monies with a broker, at least if that broker is registered with the Financial Sector Conduct Authority FSCA of South Africa, at least if that broker tries to do some funny things, you can approach the authorities and the authorities will intervene on your behalf so that you can recoup your monies, much the same way happened with JP Markets. Watch the videos on this channel. And so basically it is legal for you in South Africa, a South African resident, to be trading in forex. It's not just for big institutions or banks in South Africa. Retail forex traders are allowed. It's legal to trade forex in South Africa, but it has to be done through an authorized dealer with a license from the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa. So before you deposit your monies with a broker, make sure that they have a license from the FSCA. That's the gist of the article. Still, it says it is illegal in terms of Reserve Bank exchange control regulations for SA residents, not just South African citizens, but everyone living or working within the borders of South Africa, to speculate against the rand, whether inside or outside SA, or to engage in purchases of forex directly without the assistance of an authorized dealer. First part, apparently it's illegal for you to be speculating on USD ZAR. I don't know if I'm getting this correct. You cannot speculate on USD ZAR, GBP ZAR, Euro ZAR, and all those rand pairs, as long as you are a resident of South Africa. As long as you are a resident of South Africa, whether you are using a locally based broker or a foreign based broker. I think that's the gist of this part. Leave a comment in the comments box below. I want to hear your thoughts. And you are not also allowed to purchase forex directly. Of course, this is illegal in all countries. You cannot just go onto the streets and start exchanging your US dollars or your British pounds, and you need to do this through authorized dealers like your Western Union, your banks, and things like that. This is standard in all countries. So some good news, some happy news for forex traders in South Africa. It's not legal. It's not illegal. It's not illegal to be trading forex. However, make sure that your broker is recognized by the Financial Services Authority of South Africa. Talking about the Financial Services Authority of South Africa, they've been issuing many warnings to the public about certain forex industry players. So, which I think was also the point of the remarks by the minister. If you come to this section, see, they've warned about Presidium. They've warned about Success FX option. This is in September. They all warned against KHM bookkeeping services. Warned about binary rise fall. They've been warning about many forex companies that they feel are not having your interest, or are not having the proper infrastructure to ensure that your funds are secure when you deposit with them. So I think you should regularly come and see what the financial sector conduct authority is saying. Just make sure that you are on the safe side. Also, I think what happened is also a signal to many forex traders that it's no longer time to be partying, buying champagne, shopping for Versace, for Gucci, and things like that. If it had been true that forex trading by individuals, retail trading, is actually illegal in South Africa, many forex traders would have been in trouble. So it's also a good thing that you start thinking about spreading your risk. As forex traders, we are managers of risk. So it's about also you thinking about how to diversify your income sources. You cannot afford to have forex trading as your sole source of income. It cannot be your single source of income. It's bad. It's a bad business idea. What you should do, what you should be thinking after this, after all this whole saga, is how do I use my forex trading profits to open up other sources of income in case one day government decides to shut down forex trading for good. At least you'll be left with other sources of income and you can continue to enjoy your lifestyle, the lifestyle that you had been enjoying with your forex trading. So for me, it's a signal that you should be looking at other sources of income. Diversify your risk, manage your risk, spread it out. Invest in property, invest in logistics, invest in these businesses that are rising, emerging, so that one day, if policy changes towards what individuals can do or cannot do regarding forex in South Africa, at least you still are able to make money. Okay, leave a comment in the comments box below. I'd like to hear your thoughts, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and like this video to get this video in front of many other forex traders. Until next time, bye.